Hello everybody, welcome back to our Dubs Investing. If you're new, welcome to the channel guys, and if you're not, thank you for dropping back in. In this video, we are talking about what is happening with Square acquiring a huge company. We're also talking about Voyager Digital doing the same thing, Bitcoin wallets absolutely exploding, everything's going crazy. Let's get into it. Having a look at the overall market today, we have Bitcoin at $38,607, Ethereum at $2,400. Looks like we are definitely having a down day correction.
What? Oh no!
We have some selected altcoins in the green today, but let's jump into the markets. Let's have a look at what's going on, the biggest, the baddest, the craziest news. Let's get into it. Okay, let's jump in. Square to acquire Australian fintech Afterpay in a $29 billion deal. Oh my God, guys, if you don't know what Afterpay is a service that lets you sign up for credit, so to speak, where you can purchase goods and do a payback scheme. Here back in Australia, it is a huge company. Square is looking to take full advantage of this and take their platform to the next level. Square will acquire Australian fintech firm Afterpay in a $29 billion stock deal, expecting to close their transactions in Q1 in 2022. Jack Dorsey, cryptocurrency-friendly digital payments firm Square, is expanding competition with global payments giant like PayPal by acquiring a major Australian lending company. Square announced Sunday that the firm has entered into a scheme implementing deeds to acquire all the issued shares in fintech company Afterpay in a $29 billion deal. The transaction is based on the closing price of the Square common share and is expected to be paid in all stock in the first quarter of 2022. The acquisition enabled Square to further accelerate its strategic plans for payment ecosystem as the company is looking to integrate Afterpay into the seller and cash app business units, enable a buy now, pay later service. Hence why I said this is a multi-million dollar, potentially billion-dollar acquisition that they are getting into. This is going to ever expand their business for a buy now, pay later. Just think about it. Who else is doing a buy now, pay later when it comes to cryptocurrency? No one else is doing this, guys. Also referring to an installation loans, BNPL transactions allow customers to pay a bill in a small portion throughout a fixed period of time and are actively pioneering by global fintech firms such as PayPal, MasterCard, and so much more. According to the announcement, the integration will enable small businesses to offer BNPL at checkout, allowing Afterpay consumers to manage their installment payments directly in the Cash App and to discover the BNPL offers directly within the app. The integration marks a new milestone for Square in the meeting and the growing consumer demand for shifting away from traditional credit. Square co-founder and CEO Jack Dorsey says that the acquisition will help the company to deliver on their shared mission to make the financial system more accessible, fair and inclusive. Together we can become connected our Cash App and seller ecosystem to deliver even more compelling products and services for merchandisers and consumers, putting the power back in your hands. What are your thoughts on this? This is a huge acquisition, guys. Did you see what happened with the Square stock? It is absolutely going bazonkers. Let's jump in. Hey everyone, just want to quickly jump in. Did you see what happened with Square yesterday today on this absolutely bullish news? 10% up. Have a look at this. Where's it going to go? The market likes it. I like it. This is absolutely huge. Let's keep going.
Hey guys, if you're enjoying this content, don't forget that we are on social media. Check us out. Give us a follow. We post every day about all things investments.
Voyager Digital acquires crypto payments company Coinify. As the adoption of cryptocurrency payments gain momentum, the acquisition of Coinify brings a global payment infrastructure to Voyager Digital asset ecosystem. Crypto asset trading firm Voyager Digital has arranged to purchase payment company Coinify in a deal worth $85 million in cash and stocks. In a Monday announcement, Voyager said it would issue 5.1 million shares of its stock worth roughly $70 million at the time of publication, as well as providing $15 million in cash to Coinify investors. The company said it would retain $5.5 million in cash from Coinify's balance sheet. The acquisition on Coinify is aimed at helping Voyager expand its capabilities, potentially giving crypto users around the world more options for cross-border payments. Voyager has been publicly listed in Canada since 2019, while Coinify said it was currently available in Europe, Asia, North America, and South America. As the adoption of cryptocurrency payments gains momentum, the acquisition of Coinify brings a global payment infrastructure to Voyager Digital asset ecosystem. Huge bullish news. This is absolutely crazy. You know, all these acquisitions means good thing for the markets, means we're all moving, we're all adopting, we're all moving to that next stage in the entire ecosystem. Bullish news. Let's get into it. Active Bitcoin addresses surged 30% in late July. The amount of Bitcoin held on addresses stored between 110,000 BTC has hit a 9.23 million Bitcoin for the first time ever. Amid a renewed bullish trend on the cryptocurrency markets over the past few weeks, more users have moved into trading BTC, the world's largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization. Data from blockchain analyst platform Glassnode shows that Bitcoin has been a notable surge in terms and active addresses in the past week of July, with active BTC entities rising 30% from 250,000 to 325,000 active users. According to Glassnode's 7-day expanded moving average statistics at active Bitcoin entities, this is the biggest surge record after the number of active Bitcoin entities dropped 41% from 425,000 in January. The below 245,000 address in early July, the current level of Bitcoin activity corresponds to levels maintained in July 2020 when Bitcoin was trading around 11,000. Alongside a significant uptick in active Bitcoin users, Bitcoin investors have been accumulating a large amount of cryptocurrency in late July. According to data from analyst company Sentiment, the amount of Bitcoin held on the addresses stored 100 to 10,000 BTC, hitting 9.23 million Bitcoin or 364 billion as of August 1st. Which is a new all-time high for this group of investors. The previous all-time high took place on April 5th, just 1 week before Bitcoin's price broke an all-time high of $64,000. It's all coming back. The sentiment is looking at changing. We may be having a slight correction now as I'm recording, but who knows where this price is going to be in the next few weeks. I think we are going to have a huge bullish month in August and September. Then we'll see what happens after that. This is my opinion. This is going crazy. Alrighty, let's quickly have a look at what Bitcoin is doing at present. As we can see here, we got above the 20, we got above the 50. Look at this movement here. We didn't quite hit the 200. We had slight resistance round about this $41,000 to $40,000 mark. This is just the beginning. I think this is just a slight cooling off period until we hit the 200. Once we get past the 200, our next resistance level, I think, is around about that $48,000 to $47,000 mark. Then the psychological $50,000 mark. Once we get up and over that, it is to the moon. We are gone. That is my opinion. The next few months is going to be crazy looking at cryptocurrency at the current market right now. Let's get into it. All right, everyone. Thank you very much for sticking towards the end of the video. Please don't forget, if you like this content, like and subscribe. It is absolutely free, guys. Speaking of free, check out the pinned comments. We have free Bitcoin. We have free stocks. We have everything free in the description. Come and check it out. We've got apparel. We've got merchandise. We have got absolutely everything in there. Make sure you go and check it out. It's absolutely free. Get into it. See you next time.